Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that BIRDDOG token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, BIRDDOG is Matt Fury's fifth character from the Boys Club. Community led, a doge that flies. BIRDDOG is a community driven project and old dev replaced with community devs founded by community and grow organically according to website. But those token total supply is 999.92 million and circulating supplies also 999.92 million. But those token is listed on Clonix, Radium, Orca, Metaora VD and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project only 65% chances is that it is a lazy or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.